Today we learn small letter alphabet. Let's start today class. A. A for apple. A for apple. B. B for ball. B for ball. C. C for cat. C for cat. G. G for dog. G for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. H. H for hand. H for hand. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. J for juice. K. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lion. L for lion. M. M for mango. M for mango. N. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for orange. O for orange. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. S for sun. G. G for tiger. G for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. W. W for watch. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget like the video and subscribe my channel.